G'day everybody, this is just a quick video to explain how to go about creating QR codes either in your for yourself or for your students. There's a bunch of different websites that do this. I personally use this one. It's the-qrcode-generator.com. I find it pretty quick and easy to use and robust and all the rest of it. So first thing, you need to create an account with these guys. It is free, and you can link it with your Google account if you have one. So that's the first thing that you need to do, and the students will need to do that for themselves. Once that's done, you select My Codes, and it brings up this page here where it has a QR code pre-launched and My Awesome Code up here. If you scan that QR code, it's currently a blank. There's nothing attached to it, so it won't go anywhere if you scan it with your camera. So what we need to do is to add content to it. So I've got this video loaded here. I'm going to copy that content that's a YouTube video. And now here, I don't want to go to the free text. I click on the URL. That's the URL where you want the scan to, and I click paste. Now, as soon as I do that, if I scan that QR code now, instantly it will work. It will already be linked to that. It's almost instant. It's within a second or two. It links to it. Now, the other thing they should probably do is they want to rename what's going to be the name of this code. So I'm just going to copy the name from the video. I'm going to rename it as that. I'm going to modify this a little bit. Let's go. We're going to change it to, excuse my clumsiness on the mouse here. Let's just try this instead. Okay, let's call it Interactive 3D Models. There you go. I click OK, and that's now saved as that. When your students do this, what they need to do now is they need to take a snip of that. So get your snipping software and get a new snip, and I'm just going to take a snip of that. What I do is I create a Google Share Doc with the students. I create a table, so every student's name is in there, and they've got 5 or 6 boxes after or whatever for them to paste that into. So when the students have that populated, you can print one copy and then you can tear them off their strip that's got their QR codes on it. The other thing with this website, these are dynamic QR codes. So if I want to change that link, if for example a video goes down on YouTube, or my link no longer works, I might decide, righto, I now want to link it to this video here. For example, this is a video I was watching with my Year 7s. So, oops, select that and go back here, and I'll change the URL. And that little line scans across there means that now will, if you scan it with your phone, it takes you to the different location. So I find that a really handy feature, because if the codes go dead, you don't have to go to the hassle of reprinting a new code. That's it. Hope you have fun. Thanks.